Map, filter, reduce. Functional tool to transform, filter and combine iterables. Map is equal to paint each item. Filter will be pick only good ones, and reduce will be crush all into one. Map transforms data, filter selects data. If you look at the code here, number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This create a list of numbers. Now squared is equal to list of map lambda x square numbers. This is square each number. List here converts the result into list, and squared stores squared values. Next is events is equal to list filter lambda x x% 2 is equal to 0 numbers. Filter lambda x% 2 is equal to 0 numbers. This keeps only even numbers. Events here stores filtered values. And print squared, print the squared list, print events, print the even numbers. Map is equal to change all items. Filter is equal to keep selected items. List comprehensions are often clearer than map or filter.